The arrival of Asus Zenfone 6 in India has been teased by Asus and Flipkart for quite some time. But the recent Delhi High Court directed restraint on the sale of Zen or Zenfone branded products put some doubt over the phone's India launch. It appears that Asus has now found a workaround to the ban by launching the Zenfone 6 in the country under a different name, as per a media invite sent by the Taiwanese company on an updated microsite on Flipkart. The Zenfone 6 will be launched as the Asus 6Z in India on June 19. Aside from the different marketing moniker, the hardware specifications of the Asus 6Z remain the same as the Zenfone 6. Earlier this month, the Delhi High Court restrained Asus from selling and advertising mobile phones and accessories under the Zenfone or any other identical trademark. The court order effectively meant a ban on the sale of Zen or Zenfone branded phones, putting the highly anticipated launch of the Zenfone 6 in India, which Flipkart had been teasing as a sales partner for the past few weeks. The updated Zenfone 6 microsite on Flipkart now reads Asus 6Z, marking a change from the Zenfone 6 banner accompanying an image of the flagship phone at the top of the page. The microsite also lists the launch date as June 19, which means Asus is less than 2 weeks away from launching the phone in the Indian market. But so far, there is no word as to when the Asus 6Z will go on sale in India. Neither is there any information on the pricing and launch offers. As for the specifications and features, they remain the same as the Zenfone 6. The phone packs a 6.4-inch Full HD plus 1080 by 2340 pixels display with 19.59 aspect ratio, and is powered by the Snapdragon 855 SoC paired with up to 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. The Asus offering has a motorized rotating camera module, which houses a 48-megapixel primary shooter with f1.79 aperture accompanied by a 13-megapixel secondary ultra-wide-angle camera. The phone comes equipped with a large 5000 mAh battery with support for quick charge 4.0 fast charging technology.